Hello everyone, my name is Tete Leptai Mulol Nabasa and I am from UPN Veteran Jawa Timur. My last 3-digit NPM is 283. I would like to talk about the challenge that make me grow. First of all, I was born in Bekasi, West Java at 2007, and I spent my time with the childhood and kindergarten in there. And then in 2013 I was moved to Solo, Center Java, because my parents or my dad is transferred to work. And then I completed my elementary school and my elementary school to high school or vocational high school specifically in Solo. So the 2013 to 2025 like now. And my parents still my family still in Solo, stay in Solo until now from 2013. During that time, when I was moved from Bekasi and to Solo, I don't feel different about that two city because my parents it's still beside me and I have a support system. Like every day I don't think much about the clothes, I don't think much about the money and the food very hardly. And I usually don't make the decision like A plan and B plan, something like that. But in college, especially now 2025, I move and I live alone by myself in Surabaya, specifically in Tenggilis. I kos in Tenggilis. And then I think when I was first came to Surabaya, it feels so different because my I don't came with my parents, and I came with by myself. And the thing that I should have not think before I moved to Surabaya, like the money, the clothes, and the food. I should make a I should think about it in here, like A plan and B plan now. Because if you don't make a plan for now and for tomorrow and for the another day, it it makes you like it makes you very hard for going through your day. I I'm forced to adapt with everyone, with surround everyone in my environment, with my friends in college, and then with the other friends maybe like for from the church in here, and then the other people that I meet in street and in the hood, something like that, that I should adapt myself to them. And I learn to not to get angry easily about anything, because when I still in Solo or with my parents, um I think I easily got like angry with things with like simple things, because I think I have a parents beside me. But when I live by myself, all of it like gone. Like I should handle myself, and then it makes a big change for my life. Big change and big grow. I can learn to control myself, control my mouth, control my eyes, control my thought, control my time too, for sleep, for study, for doing some tasks, and then for going to college, going to church, for eat and something like that. And I should control my money too for my life in here, because my money is not unlimited. I have limited money in here. I should buy some like cheap things, cheap food, and then I control with my money every week, every month, every day, for the usage of my money, something like that. And then I am speech with the spiritually, like my intimacy with God is closer, became closer too, because God is the only person that makes me feel good, makes me feel calm and peace in my heart, and I'm very thankful about that. I learn about God and the love of God, and how His guidance make me through of my problem every day, every week, every month until now. And I very love and very thankful about God that always beside me. Even I don't see Him, but I trust Him. I trust His presence. My God is always beside me, whatever it happens in my life, and I'm very thankful about that. There is another grow in my life when I moved to Surabaya. And then the other things is maybe the communication, like me to the other people, to my friends, making a friends, making a connection. There's that I learned when I moved to Surabaya, like how you communication to other peoples, how you make a connection to other peoples, how you control when you speak, when you the intonation, the eyes, the see when you see the other peoples. And in college I learned about the presentation too, the public speaking. Yeah, the public speaking, that's very important in work, in life, and in the other aspect of my life. I think that is the challenge that make me grow when I moved to Surabaya, when I in here, and when a lot things happen in my life in Surabaya. Thank you for attention. That's all for me, and thank you.